Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. Today we're going to deal with this latch on a sliding screen door. It's kind of falling apart. The fact is it was misinstalled by the builder and it's never worked, but it's not like it's going to stop any burglars, so I didn't really worry about it. But now that it's falling into pieces, I decided I should replace it, and luckily it's something that even I can do. Okay, so luckily it's a reasonably simple job. First thing we need to do is remove the old latch. There's just a couple screws, so you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. So we're just going to go right in here and remove the two screws. Alright, we'll also need to remove the screw that holds the latch in place. So just unscrew that. It should be just a couple quick turns. And then likewise, there's two screws on the other side as well. We'll have to remove those. Okay, so here's my replacement. I got this on Amazon, and it luckily is an exact match for what I had on there. The key issue here is that you want to look for measurements that are similar to what you have, but most critically are the holes. These holes need to line up with the holes that are in your screen door. So this was 3 inches from here to here, and that's what the replacement was. Now the actual replacement online said that this was a bit taller than what I currently have, just a little bit taller, but as it turns out they are in fact the same, so I'm not sure where they got their measurements from. Alright, so let's go ahead and put our new one on. Okay, we'll start with the outside. That's the easier side, and we're just going to line up our two holes here, and they should be perfect if you have the exact replacement, which I do. And then we'll just drop our two screws in there really quick. Okay, and that's the outside. Easy. Alright, now we'll go to the inside. So out of the package, the latch is actually built into the thing, and looks like you can just go ahead and attach it to your door. But the one I had in there before, this piece was actually in a slot that slides behind the latch. Now I don't know what will work best for you, but we're going to remove it and then put it in there the way it was originally and see if that works. Now I did test it with this setup like this, and it does work, but it's a little stiff, so I want to see if it works better the other way. So let's go ahead and do that. So first we'll just take out the latch by removing the screw here. And that just slides out like that. Alright, so this is probably the trickiest part of the whole operation here. We need to get this bolt slid through, and then it has to slide into the notch on our handle, just like this. Alright, so what we'll do is you're going to take your metal piece and make sure that the lip of it is facing out, and then we're going to slide it into the slit on the screen door itself. Well, that'll just slide through there, and then you should see it protrude on the other side. And then you see the circle here, that's the screw hole. So that's what's going to line up with our screw hole on the up and down locking mechanism here. So now we'll take this piece and we're going to line it up so that our slit receives the metal piece, and ultimately it should all come together so that everything's lined up. So you can see these two holes are lined up with the screen door, and then you can see inside the locking mechanism that the screw hole for the latch is there as well. So we'll grab our screw for the latch and we'll put that in first, and then we will put our other two screws in that hold the latch in place. Again, hopefully the holes will line up for you like they did for me. I was lucky I have a latch that I was able to find online. There's that one. I'm not going to put them in really tight because there may need to be an adjustment, but I want it to be good enough. So there we go, it slides up and down. Now let's give it a quick test. So we're going to slide it shut, and we'll lock it, and see, it is working. All right, we'll unlock and slide it back. Now where you may have an issue is if this doesn't line up with your catch. So the catch has two screws on it, and those two screws can be loosened just slightly. You can move that up and down, because what you want ultimately is the bottom of this latch to be just above the catch. So make sure that that's how you have it. Otherwise, and I think what the issue was before is that when you close the door, this latch hit the catch, which caused the damage, and it caused it to never work, and it caused it so that you could never really lock it because it never was up high enough to come down. So up is open, slide, lock, up, unlock, and there we go. All right, our final step then is just to quickly tighten all the screws, make sure that they are fully secured, both sides, all 5 screws, 3 on this side and 2 on the outside, and then you are done. So reasonably easy job, just got to line everything up, and hopefully you can find the same latch online. If it is like this, just use that link down below and you'll get exactly what you need. So if you found this helpful, please hit that like button, please subscribe. This has been Steve for Things That Even I Can Do.